Enable seamless collaboration across product teams and external stakeholders. Launch new products fast with Arena by PTC, the industry-leading product lifecycle management application and Acumatica's native Arena connector. Harmonize data for new product introductions or part revisions. Create and update inventory items and manufacturing bills of material with automated schedules for faster handoff from engineering to production. Acumatica simplifies the creation of new products from Arena. I have a post-mounted single-door mailbox defined with specifications and attributes. I can see additional details such as component vendors within Arena. Copy the item, bill of materials, vendors, and other settings to the new item. Now we can edit the item specifications such as the category, item number, revision, name, and description. Let's say the two-door mailbox is only available in charcoal. We can change that in the attributes. Next, we can modify the bill of material by adding extra components such as hinges and screws for the second door. We can also add details such as reference designators to identify where the new parts are located within the engineering drawing. We can now release the item to design. Finally, define lifecycle status and workflow approvals. Only items in the production lifecycle phase can be synchronized to Acumatica. We can now review the inventory item in Acumatica after the automated incremental synchronization is performed. Sync details are stored on the PLM Integration tab. User-defined preferences set the item class, the charcoal attribute, and the category. The default bill of material was created and linked as well. BOM components were either created or updated during the sync. Now we can add labor operations. Note that this information only needs to be entered for the initial sync. Operation details can be copied to new part revisions for future updates from Arena. We can now associate the first three materials with the welding operation to time-phased material requirements. We can also define required tooling. Finally, we can assign the remaining aluminum item to the final operation. Now we can add other items created and synchronized to Acumatica from the engineering bill of material in Arena. When all items and quantities from the engineering BOM are properly defined, the Acumatica bill of material can be released for production. The Engineering BOM tab empowers engineers to see other details from Arena, including reference designators and notes. Define connection settings for the Arena sync. You can enable or disable the sync by entity and configure other preferences. Defaults may be defined for specific categories for added flexibility. You can also choose how to handle invalid supplier information during the data sync and establish operation, work center, and other defaults. Configuration defaults may be tailored for specific item classes for optimal flexibility. Automate the engineering to manufacturing process with Acumatica's native connector for Arena. Acumatica supports multiple engineering scenarios for part revisions, change requests, change orders, and marketplace connectors for CAD file integration.